Hello everyone, I just want to show you a quick look at the EZDIY FAB fan kit. Let's see what's inside the box. Well, you have your standard manual, remote, the fan controller and RGB. Have screws for the 5 fans, and the actual fans here. In this particular model, only the ring around the fan blades turns on. The actual fan blades are just clear plastic but don't have LEDs on them. I think they have other models with different designs for the ring, and with some even that the fan blades light up instead of the ring. This have included rubber pads here, so when you fix them to your case or radiators, they won't vibrate as much. So that's a neat little feature there. And like most fans, the cables that control the fan speed and the RGB are separate, but these ones only have one connector that goes into the controller, and this controls the speed of the fans that can only be controlled by the remote, not from your motherboard. And the RGB can be controlled with the remote, or you can also plug in the controller to an addressable RGB port like the Asus Aura Sync, the RGB Fusion 2, or the MSI Mystic Light Sync. There's also a note in the description page that says it's not compatible with Asus, Gigabyte, MCI, or ASRock 3-pin or 4-pin headers. This is actually a 4-pin header, but one of them is covered up, so it's only using 3 pins. So as long as your motherboard has that, and it's 5 volts, you shouldn't have a problem. But you can also just control them through the remote. Let's plug them in and see how they look. You can use the controller to cycle through different lighting schemes. They are already preset. And you can change the color. That looks a lot more yellow in person, and the camera shows it looks very white, and that's even a bit orange. Let me turn off this light, see if it looks a lot better. I see a question in some of the comments asking if you can plug these directly into the motherboard, and the answer is no. They have a special connector that only plugs into this hub. Also, the hub can control up to 10 fans, so if you get 2 sets, you can use only one controller and leave the other one as a spare in case something happens to this. You can also just turn off the lighting completely if you're like playing in a dark room or for some reason you don't want the light to distract you. The speed of the fan has only 3 settings. Oh, also they have memory, so they remember the last setting that you left them on before you turned off the power. So that's good. So you have to cycle through all the modes every time you turn them on to find the one that you liked. So I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the EZDIY FAB fans, and see you in the next one. Take care.